बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, आज युस अस टॉपिक सह माइका। माइका अख इम्पार्टेंट मिनरल अख युस वारियाहन चीजन मन इस्तेमाल करने। यथ लेसनस मज वुचो ये माइका क्या गो, अथ कम कम टाइप्स तो कपर कन ये नेरान, कपर ये वातान तो बे कथ चीज मज इस्तेमाल करने। Mica gets its name from the Latin word mica, which literally means a crumb and is assumed to be the influenced by the word micare, meaning to shine or glitter. Meaning to shine or glitter. Mica is known as abrak. Mica is known as abrak or abrak in Hindi. Mica has to be used in India since ancient times. Finely powdered mica have been utilized for various appliances like for decoration. During the Indian festival of Holi, colored gulal or abir used by Hindus in various parts of the country consists of fine minute crystals of mica. Rock, mica ore. Modes of occurrence. Mica minerals occur in igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks formed under different geological conditions. While muscovite means mica has some types as muscovite, phlogopite, and biotite. Here one category of mica is muscovite. While muscovite occurs in pegmatites of acidic nature, phlogopite, another type of mica, is restricted to basic pegmatite. Lepidolite, another type of mica, occurs in pegmatites associated with topaz. Commercial biotite is found to occur mostly in biotite schsts. Mica has been used in India since ancient times as a medicinal item in Ayurveda and is known as abrak, which I already told you. It has a strong insulating property and which have made it a valuable mineral in electrical and electronic industry. It can withstand high voltage and has low power loss factor. Availability of mica in world and India. India is the leading producer of muscovite mica. Followed by Brazil. Other producing countries are the USA, Tanzania, Rhodesia, and Argentina. The USA generally produces scrap mica. The leading producers of phlogopite mica are Malagasy Republic and Tanzania, whose average annual production are 1000 tons and 300 tons respectively. Small production of phlogopatite is reported from Canada, Tanzania, and India. In India, mica is widely available and distributed in sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous regions. Large size mica crystals utilized for various properties are usually mined from granite pegmatites. In India, mica is widely available. In India, mica is widely available in Karnataka, Bihar, Kolkata, Rajasthan, Gudur, and Andhra Pradesh. And Andhra Pradesh. Uses and applications of mica. Uses and applications of mica. Sheet mica is utilized in numerous electrical and electronic appliances in different shapes and sizes. Mica is used in equipments like condensers, rheostats, transformers, electronic tubes, and radar circuits as an insulating material. As an insulating material. Mica is also used in form of washers, discs, tubes, and plates. Nowadays, mica is finding increasing use in equipment that encounters very high temperatures like rockets, missiles, and jet engine ignition system. Fogopite is used in spark plugs. Mica films are used in alternate layers of binding materials like shellac, alkyl, or silicon resins and then pressed and baked. In the electronic field, natural mica is mainly used in the manufacture of capacitors such as bridge spacers in electronic valves and as panel board where heat resistance and low loss properties at high frequencies are required. The scrap mica obtained during the process of crude mica is utilized in the manufacture of mica bricks for heat insulation. Mica powder for use as filler in rubber goods, plant, lubricant, and to some extent in plastic industries. It is also used in manufacture of roofing material, welding rods, wallpaper, lamp chimneys, shades, etc. Small quantity of this mineral resource of the country is also used for the production of mica powder and mica bricks. Mica powder is used in the production of rubber goods and paints. Mica bricks are used as an insulating material in steel and thermal and petroleum refineries. Interestingly, the production of mica depends on foreign demand to a great extent. Huge amount of mica in India is exported. Countries like United States, Japan, and United Kingdom are the major buyers of mica.